Hello there! In this video we will see how we can organize our WordPress categories. Categories are, let's say, groups that posts belong to. When we create a post, we can add it to one or more categories. So when we search or index by category, we can see a list of all the posts that belong to that group. This is one of the most basic ways that content is organized in WordPress. So to create and edit categories, we go to Posts and choose Categories. So the category screen opens, and here we see the two categories that we already have. The uncategorized is the category that every post that has no category yet will belong, and this is why we can't delete it, as you can see here. There is no checkbox here, so we can check and delete it. However, since I said that, let's delete the examples category. I could check the checkbox here and choose delete from bulk actions and apply. This way I could check more than one category, if there were, and delete them all at once. But in this case I can just hover over the category's name and click delete. A message appears informing me that this action cannot be undone. OK, I press OK, and the category disappears. Let's create a new one. Let's name our first category Movies. The slug is the URL-friendly version of the name. We don't have to type anything here. WordPress will fill it out for us. Now, here we can choose a parent category. What is a parent category? Unlike tags, categories have a hierarchy. This means that one category can belong to another category, which can belong to another category, and so on. We will see an example. We leave this none for now, and we add a description here. We press Add New Category to add it to our site. So we can see it here, its name, its description, and its slug. Let's add another category. TV shows. Let's see. Does it belong to movies? No, it doesn't. Let's leave it to none as well. Now, let's create some action movies. So, parent category here would be movies, right? We add the description as well. And we add the new category. As you can see, Action Movies has a dash before its name and it's added right below Movies. This means this category belongs to this one. This is the child and this is the parent. Every action movie is a movie. So, every post that belongs to movies doesn't necessarily belong to action movies as well. But every post that belongs to action movies belongs to movies as well. To add a post to a category is rather easy. Let's see how it works with our example post. To edit our post, we will go to Posts, All Posts, and this is it. I will choose Edit, and right here on the category section, I will uncheck Uncategorized and check Movies and Action Movies. What happens if I choose only action movies? Just the same. Since action movies is a subcategory of movies, the post will be added to movies as well. So to update my post, I just press update right here. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.